To answer this question, we need to calculate the area of this half circle. To do that, we've been given the formula for a circle, pi times radius squared, with a little addition on the end, divide by 2. And that makes sense because we're working out the area of half a circle rather than the area of a whole circle, which is what pi times radius squared calculates. So let's start filling in our answer boxes and see how we go. First we need to fill in the value for pi, and they've told us that we can use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. So let's put 3.14 into our first 4 answer boxes. Then we need the multiplication symbol. Then we need to put in the radius, which in this case, the radius of our circle is going to be 9, because even though we've only got half a circle, it's still telling us the distance from the centre to the circle to the edge is 9, so that's the radius. So we can put in 9, then we need to put in the squared symbol, so we'll go to the second tab up here and use the small 2. So now we've got 9 squared, and finally to complete this first line of working we just need to put in the divided by 2. So in our next line of working, we're going to leave it almost exactly the same, except we're going to evaluate 9 to the power of 2, or 9 squared, which is the same as 9 times 9. So let's put in the 3.14 for pi first. And then multiply it by our evaluation of 9 squared, which is 81, 9 times 9. And then let's put in the divided by 2. So it's really important when you're doing maths to make sure that you only change one thing per line of working. It's a really good way to help minimize your mistakes. So now that we've got our second line of working filled in, we're ready to evaluate that line completely and find the final answer. So to do that, let's go to the fourth tab and enter in our equation. 3.14 times 81 divided by 2 equals a final answer of 127.17. So if we go back to our first tab and then put in 127.17, that completes the question.